In this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to buy an ad on Bizzll. Ads appear in several different sections of the site, designed carefully to grab users' attention effectively and increase engagement. Each ad displays an image that links either internally within the site or externally to another page. Keep in mind, all ads must be approved by an administrator before they actually appear on the site. From the User panel, go to the Anuncios tab at the top. Here you'll see ads you've already purchased. To create a new one, simply click on Create Ad right here. Fill in all the required details carefully: image, link, start date, and the total months contracted. The scheduled end date determines when the ad will stop running, but the advertising space will still belong to you afterwards. You can enable recurring payment to have the ad renew automatically without any extra effort on your part. This way you won't need to pay manually when your contract ends, making it simpler and hassle-free. When you have finished, go ahead and click the Activate Ad button to proceed with your payment. Enter your billing information and your card details. Click Finish Purchase. If the payment is successful, you'll see the invoice on screen right away and get another copy sent to your email shortly after. That's all there is to it. Your ad will go live here once the admin approves it.